Hi, welcome to Monitoring is a Crap, the Application Monitoring and Control course from Inspector Academy. The idea of application monitoring has been around for a while, but it has never been as indispensable as today. Despite its importance, it's still one of the most controversial parts of the developer's journey. In today's business environment, very few teams can function or survive without measuring the outcome of their effort. To ensure continued uptime of your software products, application monitoring is a mandatory requirement. Applications that simply work, make your users happy, and guarantee you constant and sustainable growth for your company. So, if you are a tech person that wants to bring value to the software development industry, it's essential to harness its potential. Before we get started, I want to draw your attention to a few things that will enhance your learning experience. In this course, you'll find 10 lessons that guide you through the best practices to help you assess your scenario, identify technical and organizational needs, and adopt the right solutions to reach your software development goals faster. The course has been intentionally structured to help you conceptualize application monitoring in 3 phases. Understand your work challenges. Focuses on developer experience. Choose the right tools, from logs to observability. The first phase makes up the understanding phase. It contains concepts that allow you to immediately recognize the most relevant problems for software developers, caused by the lack of a monitoring strategy. Many teams, sooner or later, face the challenge of increasing complexity to grow the business. But sometimes this trend, if not managed correctly, can deteriorate not only relationships with customers, but even worse, the relationship with your collaborators. Software development is collaborative work by nature. A peaceful working environment will allow you to manage even hard times successfully. The next lessons move you to the developer experience phase. These are concepts that directly impact your ability to get things done. In these lessons, you'll learn the true role that monitoring plays in a developer's life and its place within the software development lifecycle. As developers, you spend a lot of time creating user experiences that provide value to your customers. Ideally, these experiences are so good that people want to keep using them. You need to think about not only how your tech stack will enable solving problems for customers, but also how it helps developers solve their development problems. After all, developers are users too, and they are one of the most important drivers of business value. If they can't work smoothly, or they are not happy with your work environment, your customers won't be happy either. You'll also learn about tools. In these lessons, you'll learn the strengths and weaknesses of different types of monitoring, from simple logs to a more comprehensive approach to observability. You will have a decision map that will help you find the right solution for your specific use case and use the right metrics to keep making your software products better over time and grow your business. The course closes out with a final lesson that allows you to explore Inspector, the code execution monitoring tool built for software developers, so you can begin taking action on what you've learned. Well, what are you waiting for? It's time for you to get in this learning so you can be the hero of the office with an immediate fix in front of the next issue.